arrive in style with this 2004 Volkswagen Jetta GLS. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are bucket seats, sun moonroof, cruise control, power outlet, front reading lamps, power steering, driver illuminated vanity mirror, aluminum wheels, and variable speed intermittent wipers. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.